Kasi ang daming patay na insekto.
Hug your hug it.
Mama sabi, Mama
Hi po. Ayan na, sa labas na naman tayo. Today, we are going to Cranbrook. May training po si Mama doon, si Monique, for 2 days, tomorrow and Thursday. And we're tagging along. Siyempre wala siyang driver. Sama kaming lahat. And i-take na lang din namin yung opportunity para mapasyal yung Cranbrook. Although nakadaan naman na kami sa Cranbrook, pero daan lang. Nag-stop over kami ng saglit, pero hindi talaga namin siya na-explore. So iti-take namin yung opportunity ngayon para medyo ma-explore lang. Medyo lang kasi we don't know. Our schedule is really dependent on, well, of course, weather. Although mainit-init naman pero cloudy daw yung mga forecast. And depende sa mga bagets kung ano magiging mood nila. Pero we are ready, of course. We have list of activities that we want to do in Cranbrook. So yeah, samahan niyo po kami. Bale 3 days and 3 days 4 nights kami doon. Tara po, samahan niyo po kami. Ayan, at andito na po tayo sa Cranbrook. Kanina, pumunta lang tayo kumain tayo kasi nagutom tayo. So, pumunta kami sa Fire Hall. It's an old building, 97 years old na building na ginawa nilang restaurant. So, pumunta tayo doon, saglit lang, kumain lang tayo. And ngayon, maiyak si Yaning kasi nagpapa-car wash tayo. Kasi ang daming patay na insekto sa bumper namin, sa windshield namin.
That's okay.
Umiiyak si Yaning dahil takot siya sa car wash. Mabilis na po. After nito, punta na tayo sa hotel. Sa pagsistayhan natin for 3 days. tomorrow, si Mama, si Monique, ay may training siya, conference ng mga early childhood educators here in West Kootenay. I think magsa-start siya ng mga 9 down to 3. So yung kami naman, dito lang kami. Wala kaming gagawin. So ilalabas ko yung mga bagets tomorrow. May mga nakalista na tayo na pupuntahan natin. And ayan, so samahan niyo po kami sa mga susunod na araw sa paglilibot po namin dito sa Cranbrook. Good morning.
Masipa. Bakit? Ay, ano yun? Ano ba yan?
Mama sabi, Mama
Hey! Kasi nagpipigil siya ng ano niya. Ay, ipakita yung ano niya. Ay.
If you say it's hard, it's really gonna be hard. You see, you step here. So, yes, and then, yes. Then you lift your, yes, and then one.
Yan ah. Hi.
Oh, and then here naman ulit yung hand. No, this hand back. Yes, and then one foot here. Yes, and then you can.
Ayan, so tapos na po yung first day day 1 ng conference ni Mama. And kanina while she was in the conference, pumunta po tayo, syempre nag-breakfast tayo. And kami lang po tatlo ng bagets. And then right after breakfast, we went to
Mama, I want water, please.
right after breakfast, we went to Rotary Park nila dito sa Cranbrook. And then pumunta din tayo sa mall nila to grab some food. And thank God talaga kasi may nakita kaming, may nahanap kami na Asian food. Siyempre na para siyang hawker style sa Singapore na may rice, may pansit. Sabi niya na noodles and may vegetables. Kaya sold kami sa breakfast namin. And ngayon naman po, pupunta tayo sa Encore Brewing Company. So, etong place na to, brewing company, so beer company siya. But sa place niya, may area siya for bowling and may area siya for arcade. At syempre may food and drinks. Kaya tara po, samahan niyo po kami.
Let's go, yan na. Ay, Adi. Oh dear. Let's go. Pick a seat daw. Ah, that's so nice. So cool. Yan na. Dito po natin at nasa conference na po si Mama, kaya I'm with the bagets. Ate Adi, Anyana, say hi! So, paglalaroin lang po natin yung mga bagets. Ayan, and then tingnan natin, maybe we'll head home after, grab some lunch and head home after, tapos we're going somewhere na naman. Tingnan po natin, let's go! Tingnan po natin, let's go! Slide, come on! Yeah, I mean, your turn!
Yana, there's another unicorn one there.
Yani. Another.
There's milk for my babies. I didn't bring my babies.
Yeah, it's better not to bring them, right? It is short. Okay, give a smile here kay tatay. Smile kay tatay, smile. Okay. Going for a walk. Going for a walk. It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes walk daw from me. Yan, wala na makita. Nakapunpun pa pala. Ata. Wala nang ating lights eh. Ano. Yeah, I think so. What is the next part? It's okay, it's fine. Go, okay? Hug your ano, hug it. one. That's an adult one. Ah, yung pa isa oh. There's another one there oh. Yeah. Yeah, they lay their eggs here. This is their habitat. To the where? Hello. Let's go, Adi. Come on. Yes, please. Thank you. Kick. Go ahead and kick. Uy, galing.
Is she drinking the water?
Uy.
Oy, ay.
Short.
Did you enjoy Cranbrook?
Yeah, I did. Hi po, good morning. Magandang umaga. So it's hi, sabi ni Yaning hi. So it's Sunday today and galing na po kami ng church sa Christ the Servant Church. Yung pastor doon ay si Archpriest ay si Father Rex. Father Rex. What's Father Rex? Belmonte. Father Rex. Na-meet namin si Father nung ordination ni Father Ferdy sa Nelson. And ang ganda ng misa kasi it was very inclusive. So yung prayer of the faithful in different languages. So of course may English pa rin, may ano pa rin sa English, pero aside from English may other languages. And even si Father, nagbibisaya si Father kanina, which is really nice. Very inclusive, very welcoming yung
At the light, turn left onto 2nd Street North.
yung parish community ng Christ the Servant. Ayan. And now, medyo gutom na po tayo. Actually may ano doon may fellowship doon May fellowship doon, pero pinili naming dumiretso na kasi we're going to Fort Steele.
300 meters, turn right onto Cranbrook Street North.
So, ang Fort Steele ay isa siyang heritage town. Malapit dito sa Cranbrook. So, mga 18 to 20 minutes. Diretso ba tayo? Diretso tayo na.
Yep.
Ayan. So, doon na lang tayo din mag-lunch.
Turn right onto Cranbrook
Message
Street
namin.
North. Then turn right onto Cranbrook Street North.
May ano doon, may restos din doon, may mga shops din doon. So, doon na po tayo magla-lunch. And let's see anong makikita natin sa Fort Steele kasi dati nung student pa ako dito bilang
Turn right onto
Heritage
Cranbrook
Town
Street
siya.
North, Crow's Nest Highway.
na may mention sa ng mga instructor ko as example for hospitality law, hospitality management. So tingnan natin kung anong madadatnan natin doon.
Continue on British Columbia 3 East for 9 kilometers.
Yan, so samahan niyo po kami. Ayan po, so tapos na po tayo kanina sa Fort Steele. And after Fort Steele, how was Fort Steele, Mama?
Good.
Good? Tagal lang nakasagot. How was Fort Steele? Did you
Sobrang
enjoy?
nag-enjoy.
Did you enjoy Fort Steele? Yeah? Yeah. It was a fun activity. Talagang na-enjoy namin yung Fort Steele kanina. And okay yung weather. Mainit. Hindi naman mainit.
Napakaganda.
Yeah, the sun was out. Fortunately, and windy siya, so hindi talaga siya sobrang nainit. And ang cool lang na makita yung mga sinaunang panahon, sinaunang building, even their mga machines na gamit nila dati, cash register, and the wagon ride was really fun, Adi, right? The wagon ride, yeah. So after ng Fort Steele kanina, nagpagas lang tayo and syempre pauwi na tayo na Nelson. But before we head down to Nelson, nandito tayo ngayon sa Creston. So ang sadya natin sa Creston ay kumain kasi kanina yung brunch natin sa Fortstale was more on bread lang, soup,
So, bread.
bread, coffee. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Creston, brunch yun. Dito tayo sa Creston para kumain bago tayo umuwi ng Nelson. At saan tayo kakain natin, Adi? Sa Busaba. Busaba pa din. We want some rice and ang tagal na din namin gustong i-visit yung Busaba dito. Yeah, nandito kami ngayon actually nasa harap kami ng Busaba. And ang nice lang ng labas nila. So yeah, kakain po tayo ngayon dito bago tayo umuwi ng Nelson.
Pabili ka siya.
At kanina sa biyahe, nakatulog na si... Nasaan na si Ningning? Where's Ningning?
There, oh. Where's Ningning? Where's Ningning ano?
There, oh. Ay, sus. Nag-hide. Ay, nagising na.
Ningning!
Yan, kain po muna tayo bago tayo umuwi ng Nelson. Tara po. Mainit ba? And we're back in Nelson po. Thank you, Lord. Yan, nagpapa-car wash lang po tayo ulit ngayon kasi madumi yung sasakyan. Para ready din siya for another week ahead. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin sa aming Cranbrook vlog. Ayan. Do you enjoy, Mama?
Yeah.
Ate Adi, did you enjoy? Yeah?
Yes.
Busy na. Nagpapa-carwash kami ngayon pero hindi umiiyak si Yanin kasi busy yung bibig niya. Kumakain ng paborito
Ayun
niya,
lang yun,
strawberry.
kasi kung hindi bibigyan ng video, iiyak yan.
Naka-video din ba siya?
Dahil sa
Okay.
car wash. Ayun,
Kaya
talaga
pala.
nagpapa-car wash.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Lord, sa pagsama sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, hanggang sa susunod. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam.
Paalam.
Paalam, Adi.